Okay, so the simulation has completed. As you can see down here, we have 100%. So this job is finished based on time. So what we need to do is just double click on the result here. Okay, then you maximize the screen and then you try to adjust the model such that it suits what we want to do. Okay, so at this point, this will come here and then we see all the things that we can actually view in terms of the result that has been generated. Okay, so we're going to start with the temperature. Okay, so in order to see the temperature, just come here and click play and see the welding taking place. Okay, so you see how the welding took place, how the robots came and welded that particular spot. So we click this red button here to generate an animation. So when we come to this point here, we put time delay of 1 second. You can change the format to full HD or Windows size, whatever you want, and then you from 0 to 10 seconds. Remember, we said the simulation was supposed to run for a period of 10 seconds. So it will generate for us a movie with duration of 17 seconds. So when you click OK, you can adjust the name. You can change this to process result, or you say process temperature result. And then when you click OK, it's generated. We go to total distortion, and then also we click play again to see and visualize what exactly happened. Okay, so from our visualization, once again click the red button here and then you can say process total distortion results, then click OK and then it's generated. The next thing we do now is we check the effective stress. So once again, for the effective stress, we also generate a plot. Click the red button here to animate, and then you repeat the same thing. You adjust the name, and then once you click OK, that plot is generated. So you can as well choose some other plot type of plot that you want. If it's a peak temperature, if it's a heat flux, you can also generate the heat flux. Click play now. Let's see how the heat flux is moving on the object. So we see the way the heat is traveling. So when the weld was done and the surface was cooling, we see how the heat flux was moving to the towards the clamp. This region here is where the clamp is. That's why the heat does not get to the tips. And then we can also check for some other things like the stress. Remember, we included a plot for stress tensor when we were carrying out the when we wanted to start the. So you can check the strain, you can check the stress, you can check the plastic rate, you can check the minimum principal strain, maximum principal strain, and the rest. And you can still use the same red button to generate the plot. Okay, so basically that's just how to receive or how to record the animation for each of the diagrams. Now another one I like to check is for the contact surface. So we see what actually happens as a result of the welding. So we see that the material has been able to completely weld each other. So that's just it. That's just how you present the result. That's how you go ahead and simulate on Simufact. Alright guys, have a nice day, bye.